Hello, welcome back. My name is Sunny Punjabi and I am a real estate consultant in Andheri West. So today we are going to see a 2 and 3 BHK luxurious brand new tower. We started our journey from Azad Nagar metro station and we are proceeding to Amboli Caesar Road, Andheri West. We have almost reached our destination. So this is a brand new 15-story luxurious tower with all modern amenities, which I will be showing you definitely. This is the view from this tower. Two BHKs and 3 BHKs, luxurious, well designed, well planned. 2 BHKs are 725 square feet carpet and 3 BHKs are 1065 square feet carpet. It has ample car parking space with 3-level podium and ground, which can even accommodate around extra 25 to 30 guest parkings. One of the much required amenity for your kids, a play area with all swings and slides where your kids can enjoy. It has a gorgeous decorative lobby. This will definitely warm welcome to you and to your guests when they come to your home. So this is wing A, where there are 2 lifts. It has security cameras. This is the reception area. So this side of the lobby gives us access to wing B with 2 lifts, and we are going on upper floor, and each floor has only 2 flats, 2 BHK and 3 BHK. In each wing, A and B, both the wings has only 2 flats each floor. So welcome, we have come to one of the upper floor, and this side of the part is a 2 BHK apartment and the next door is a 3 BHK apartment, only 2 flat each floor. So this has a very beautiful view, road facing, and the developer is also providing a soundproof windows in all the flats along with Italian marble flooring in entire flat in all rooms. So on the right hand side is the common toilet, and the developer is providing imported marble flooring on the floor and on the walls and all the brand fittings along with the geyser. As you see, you will get that finishing only. Now on the left hand side is the kitchen area where the platforms are on both the sides, and here he has provided inlet and outlet for your washing machine, and the view is also awesome from this part of the kitchen. So you have to get your modular kitchen made. He is providing only platform, and this side you can keep your refrigerator. Even double door refrigerator can fit very easily. And this right hand side is a common bedroom. This common room is 144.16 square feet approximately, that is 10.6 by 13.6 feet, and here also he has provided with soundproof windows and Italian marble flooring. Now let's go towards the master bedroom with attached washroom. Now as you see, you will get that fittings only along with the floor tiles. What you see, developer is providing with branded Jaguar brand and Tessa brand fittings in your both the bathrooms, and with imported marble floorings. As you have seen, both the bathrooms are different from each other, and this bedroom is approximately 154 square feet, that is 11 feet by 14 feet. And definitely know that you have loved this 2 BHK apartment. Even the 3 BHKs are as beautiful as this 2 BHKs. Now let's move to other amenities of the building. And here we are on the roof of the top floor, and there it is, a rooftop sky sit out area. You can enjoy the breeze, you can enjoy the view, you can enjoy your sip of your coffee and have a small get together with your family and friends. Enjoy your evening. Every day is a day to enjoy here. The view from this floor roof is so much awesome. And here we are again on the top with a view, open to sky, infinity pool. Wow, this is a place to relax, enjoy with privacy. Open to sky swimming pool. This is called luxury. And last but not the least, there is an high-tech gymnasium with all the modern equipments. It has all equipments which will cover all your body parts for your daily routine exercises. To book your dream apartment, 2 BHK, 3 BHK or Jodi flats are also available. Do call me. My name is Sunny Punjabi, 913-788-2148. Do like, comment and subscribe my channel and share the video with your friends, family and in your society group. Stay safe, stay blessed, stay happy. Thank you for watching.